back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. This is my crazy friend Kevin. Video does not do that justice. I just feel like I got shot in the chest, but we're about to get back to this car in 1 second. Some Mini Cooper content coming to the channel. This is Kevin's 2012 Mini Cooper, and I'll let him take it away a little bit here.
Like Steven said, 2012 Mini Cooper S. It's too many mods to list in a video. I've had this car since 2017. You guys have probably all seen my Sonata on the channel, so I traded this in on the Sonata.
And Aston Martin.
Yeah. And, so I traded this in on the Sonata, and I thought it was gone. And every day, every hour I was awake, I thought about this car. This is my baby. And I guess the auctions were backed up. 3 months later, 4 months later, I got an Instagram message from the guy who bought it from the auction, because my name was all over the car. Man. They left my decals on it. So he asked if I wanted to buy it back. Never thought I'd see it again, and here it is.
Incredible.
Ignore the camera equipment, the drone and everything in the passenger seat, but interior stripped.
It's a race car.
Sparco Fighter race seat, Cypher harness bar, OMP harness, seat delete.
The heart of the beast.
It's a Mini Cooper S, so turbo 1.6 liter. I guess the obvious mods you can see: intake, straight pipe exhaust, catless downpipe, front mount intercooler, oil cooler, Mishimoto cooling hoses, Mishimoto tank.
Hood stickers.
Yeah, hood stickers. Actually, Cletus McFarland signed it.
Oh, dude, that is sick. Shout out to you, Cletus. Incredible. That's awesome. We're going to jail.
How's that baby burnout?
Full disclosure, there's no seat in this car. The baby burnout was actually good. You left a little mark over there.
Yeah, I did.
just like that, we've got the Mini back of the house, looking like a race car on my driveway. I know my neighbors are gonna love me. We got a Mini, Aston Cube, and an FRS here, so who knows what's next. Huge shout out to Kevin for the drone footage and all the editing that went into that in this video. That was all him. He just got that drone and started playing around with some editing software, and I thought it looked really, really awesome, and we're gonna definitely use that drone to get a little bit more cinematic footage for the channel, and I'll let him do all that. I'll put a link in the description below to his Instagram, but also to his YouTube as well, so make sure you go give him a follow and subscribe to his channel. So while the car is here, what we're gonna be doing is we've got a few different things we need to do. Flush some fluids out of there. We're gonna replace the turbo with the ones that you guys saw over there in the last video. This is just a turbo replacement. Also, we have a meth injection kit. He actually got this kit while he was rebuilding his motor, never had the chance to put it on there before he got rid of the car. Now the car is back, so we'll be able to put the meth injection kit on there, which is gonna make this even more of a monster than it already is. So stay tuned for that. We'll have plenty of mini videos coming. He actually rebuilt that whole motor by himself, so I'll let him talk about that in another video. We'll get a little bit more into detail about what's done to the car and what we're gonna do. Show's coming up. Hopefully everything gets back to normal. We'll be able to bring the cars out there and park up, and you guys can come say hey to us and tell us what you want to see on the channel. Anyways, we're almost at 10,000 followers on Instagram. If you guys can, just go give me a follow, and once I hit that 10,000 followers, we're going to do a giveaway on the channel, or on the Instagram and on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned to that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. If you guys do like it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.